Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of yogurt, a creamy and versatile dairy product enjoyed by millions worldwide. But did you know that beyond its delicious taste, it offers a myriad of health benefits? Yogurt is a dairy product made by fermenting milk with friendly bacteria cultures such as Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. It's known for its rich nutritional profile and numerous health benefits. In this video, we'll explore its incredible health benefits and discover why it's much more than just a tasty snack. From busy professionals to health-conscious families, yogurt has become a staple in households worldwide. Join us as we explore the boundless horizons of yogurt's health wonders. Let's begin. First and foremost, probiotics found in yogurt are live microorganisms that confer health benefits when consumed in adequate amounts. Here's more information about probiotics and their significance in yogurt. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial for your digestive system. They are often referred to as good or friendly bacteria because they help maintain the natural balance of organisms, microflora, in the intestines. The primary strains of probiotics commonly found in yogurt include Lactobacillus bulgaricus, Streptococcus thermophilus, Lactobacillus acidophilus, bifidobacteria, and Lactobacillus casei. These bacteria help convert milk into yogurt during the fermentation process. Not all yogurts contain live and active probiotics. To ensure the presence of viable probiotics, choose yogurts labeled with phrases such as live active cultures or contains probiotics. Yogurts that have undergone minimal processing and have not been subjected to high heat treatment are more likely to retain live cultures. Proper storage and handling are crucial for maintaining the viability of probiotics in yogurt. Store yogurt in the refrigerator at temperatures below 4 degrees C and consume it before the expiration date indicated on the packaging for optimal freshness and potency. Some yogurts may also contain prebiotics, which are non-digestible fibers that serve as food for probiotics, helping them thrive and multiply in the gut. Prebiotics are typically found in foods like bananas, onions, garlic, and whole grains. What's more, the probiotics in yogurt can help regulate bowel movements and promote regularity, which is important for overall digestive health. Consuming yogurt with live cultures may alleviate symptoms of constipation or diarrhea by promoting a balanced and efficient digestive system. Probiotics found in yogurt may enhance digestion by assisting in the breakdown of food and the absorption of nutrients in the intestines. They can also help alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. The beneficial bacteria in yogurt may help prevent gastrointestinal infections by crowding out harmful bacteria and strengthening the body's natural defenses. Regular consumption of yogurt with probiotics may reduce the risk of conditions such as traveler's diarrhea and bacterial gastroenteritis. Some research suggests that probiotics found in yogurt may have anti-inflammatory effects in the gut, which can help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Additionally, as we mentioned before, yogurt contains live cultures of beneficial bacteria, such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium species, which are known as probiotics. These probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut, which is essential for proper immune function. A significant portion of the body's immune system resides in the gut, and a healthy gut microbiota is crucial for mounting effective immune responses against pathogens. Probiotics found in yogurt have been shown to stimulate the production of antibodies and enhance the activity of immune cells, such as natural killer cells and T lymphocytes. These immune cells play key roles in identifying and neutralizing pathogens, viruses, and other foreign invaders. Some research suggests that probiotics in yogurt may have anti-inflammatory effects in the body, which can help reduce chronic inflammation associated with autoimmune diseases, allergies, and other immune-related disorders. By modulating inflammatory pathways, yogurt may help support overall immune balance and function. Yogurt is a good source of essential nutrients, including vitamins, such as vitamin D, B12, riboflavin, and zinc, and minerals, such as calcium and magnesium, which are important for immune health. Vitamin D, in particular, plays a critical role in regulating immune responses and reducing the risk of infections. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know yogurt can be a beneficial component of a weight management plan? Yogurt is rich in protein, which is important for promoting satiety and reducing hunger. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied after eating, which can lead to reduced calorie intake throughout the day. Greek yogurt in particular tends to be higher in protein than regular yogurt due to the straining process. The combination of protein and dairy fat in yogurt can help regulate appetite and prevent overeating. Consuming yogurt as part of a meal or snack can help keep you feeling satisfied and less likely to reach for high-calorie, less nutritious foods later on. Protein has a higher thermic effect compared to carbohydrates and fats, meaning it requires more energy to digest and metabolize. This can slightly increase your metabolic rate, potentially supporting weight loss or weight maintenance efforts. Some research suggests that the beneficial bacteria, probiotics found in yogurt, may influence body weight and fat mass by modulating gut microbiota composition and function. A healthy gut microbiome is associated with better metabolic health and reduced risk of obesity. Yogurt is a versatile food that can be enjoyed on its own, mixed with fruit, added to smoothies, or used as a topping for savory dishes. Its convenience makes it an easy option for a quick and nutritious snack or meal. Opt for plain yogurt or varieties with minimal added sugars to avoid excess calorie intake. Sweeten yogurt naturally with fresh fruit, honey, or a drizzle of maple syrup instead of relying on pre-sweetened options. But the benefits don't stop there. Yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, a mineral that is essential for building and maintaining strong bones. Adequate calcium intake throughout life, starting in childhood and continuing into adulthood, helps prevent bone loss and reduces the risk of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by fragile bones and increased fracture risk. Many yogurt products are fortified with vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and bone mineralization. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium levels in the blood and promotes the uptake of calcium into bone tissue, contributing to bone density and strength. Yogurt is a good source of phosphorus, another mineral important for bone health. Phosphorus works in conjunction with calcium to form the mineral matrix of bone tissue, contributing to bone strength and density. It also contains protein, which is necessary for bone health as it provides the building blocks for bone tissue. Protein helps support bone structure and repair, especially during periods of growth, development, and aging. The nutrients in yogurt, particularly calcium and vitamin D, are highly bioavailable, meaning they are easily absorbed and utilized by the body. Consuming yogurt as part of a balanced diet can help ensure that your body receives the nutrients it needs for optimal bone health. Moreover, yogurt contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. Essential amino acids are those that the body cannot produce on its own and must be obtained through dietary sources. Consuming foods with complete proteins like yogurt ensures that your body has the building blocks it needs for various physiological functions. Depending on the type and brand, yogurt can provide varying amounts of protein. Greek yogurt, for example, tends to be higher in protein than regular yogurt due to the straining process, which removes some of the whey and liquid. On average, a serving, about 6-8 ounces of yogurt, can contain anywhere from 8 to 20 grams of protein, making it a substantial protein source, especially for individuals looking to increase their protein intake. After exercise or physical activity, the body requires protein to repair and rebuild muscle tissue that may have been damaged during exertion. Consuming protein-rich foods like yogurt post-workout can help facilitate muscle recovery and promote muscle growth and strength over time. Lastly, the fermentation process involved in making yogurt breaks down some of the lactose present in milk into simpler sugars, such as glucose and galactose. Additionally, yogurt contains live bacterial cultures, including Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus, which produce lactase, the enzyme needed to digest lactose. As a result, the lactase produced by these bacterial cultures helps to predigest the lactose, making it easier for individuals with lactose intolerance to tolerate yogurt. Although yogurt contains lactose, the amount of lactose in yogurt is typically lower than in milk due to the fermentation process. This means that yogurt may contain less lactose per serving compared to milk, making it more tolerable for some individuals with lactose intolerance, especially when consumed in moderation. Some yogurt varieties are specifically formulated for individuals with lactose intolerance. These lactose-free or lactose-reduced yogurts are treated with lactase enzyme or contain minimal lactose to minimize digestive discomfort for those with lactose intolerance while still providing the nutritional benefits of yogurt. It's important to note that the tolerance to yogurt can vary among individuals with lactose intolerance. Some individuals may find that they can tolerate certain types of yogurt better than others, depending on factors such as the amount of lactose present, the presence of live bacterial cultures, and individual tolerance levels. Experimenting with different types of yogurt and paying attention to how your body responds can help determine which varieties are best tolerated. And there you have it, folks. The incredible journey through the health wonders of yogurt. From its creamy texture to its probiotic power, yogurt has proven itself to be more than just a tasty treat. So whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support your digestive health, or simply enjoy a nutritious snack, yogurt has something to offer everyone. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.